Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create stopping ads in just minutes? In this video, I will show you how to use AdCreative.ai to make high converting ad creatives First, even if you are not a designer, if you are running ads on Facebook, Google, or Instagram, you know creative is everything. AdCreative.ai uses artificial intelligence to generate ready-to-use ad designs so you can focus on growing your business. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll go from sign up to publishing your first AI-generated ad. First of all, go to AdCreative.ai and click Get Started. Wait a minute. Now click try for free or get start free with Google. You can sign up with your Google, Facebook, or email. They usually offer a free trial, so take advantage of that. Click sign up with Google. Then choose your account. Then continue. And again continue. Now enter your cardholder name. Then add card details for free trial. Then follow the process. Once you are in, click create project or create a band from upper right corner. Give your project a name like t-shirt ad campaigns or summer sale. Now you will choose your creative type, standard image, story format. Google Display select the platforms you want to target. The AI will optimize your creatives for each platform. Now enter your brand name, website, and slogan. Upload your logo and select your brand colors. This helps the AI stay on brand. You can also choose your preferred font. Don't worry, you can always edit this later. Next, it's time to enter your ad copy. This includes headline, description, call to action like shop now or get offer. You can write your own or let the AI suggest optimized headlines based on your goal. Super helpful if you are stuck. Upload high quality product or lifestyle images. You can upload from your computer or connect platforms like Shopify or Google Drive. Use clear high resolution photos for best results. Click generate creatives and boom. Add creative.ai will instantly create multiple variations of your ad in different formats and sizes optimized for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google, and more. Scroll through the generated ads, you will see options with different layouts, text, positions, and styles. Pick the ones you like. You can edit text, swap images, or adjust layout. When you are ready, click download or export directly to your ad platform. You can also connect your Facebook ads or Google Ads account. This lets you publish your AI generated ads directly from adcreative.ai and track which creatives perform best using real time data. And now click on the link. Now you can see the you can see the payment details page. Just enter your card number and click start free trial for 7 days. So then I start free trial for 7 days and follow the process. Test multiple versions. Add creative.ai gives you many variations. Use them to A/B test and find the one that brings to the best results. So that's how you use creative.ai to generate stunning ads in just minutes. If this guide was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want a full walkthrough of ad strategies using AI. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Just go to your dashboard, select, click create a board, and enter your design name, brand name, then click generate. That's simple.